knows we don't have a distribution label. Bulldog knows we don't have that mechanism to move like the way the others are moving.
Yeah.
But as somebody that worked with you, he perhaps knew that you had some funds to be able to kickstart the project, to be able to.
And the fans like that, if I use them, I will go bankrupt.
You know what he's saying?
I know he's a Shatta fan. Because you know, like for instance, like that's what I'm saying. The way the Burners and the Whiskies were moving.
But if you have to invest in yourself for somebody also.
Yeah, so my investment goes into my
making the music,
making my studio, my label, my team, because that one I know they play with them, but they always try to keep them. You understand me? So,
but the Shatta Wale should be able to attract investment, shouldn't it?
Yes, but
what has made it hard getting that investment in the deal? What is the problem?
Once again, I'll go back to me not having a label. Because me alone no go fee enter Hot 97.
No, you mean you not having an effective management team or label?
Yes, no, because the effective management teams have not have them.
Yeah.
That'd be serious.
Yeah,
because if we are going to do top talent in Ghana, you're going to be one of top 3. And if you admit that you didn't have an effective management team, that's serious.
Yeah, because that's what I'm saying. Sarkodie even doesn't have an effective management team.
He would disagree.
No, he would disagree, but I'll let him also understand that maybe now that maybe they get signed to a few labels, hey, where did he help them and things. But Angel has been with Sarkodie for years.
But he had a Ziki Media.
Yeah, Ziki Media also approached me.
Okay.
Yeah, but the money they were even the money they were for me.
When you say people don't afford you, how do you mean?
No, because I have a whole catalog. You understand? Like, I have a whole catalog that I believe I worked so hard for. So when you want to come in for my Instagram, my Twitter account, my YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, I know what I make for. Me Promo has tried for me like all these years, because I if you get like at least 150,000, 180,000 from Me Promo.
Dollars or cities?
Ghana City.
Okay.
Ghana City. And those ones we had to change to dollars.
And how much do you get from Gambro?
30,000 for 15 years.
30K cities
for 15 years. Yeah, 30,000 cities for 15 years.
Wow.
So basically, like, yes, I could have done, move my money. That's what I'm saying. You see someone like Sarkodie. Sarkodie should have been bigger than Wizkid.
And so is you.
No, but you see what Sarkodie even did.
So is you. You are almost. I mean, you also could have been bigger than Benabo.
Sarkodie, at the say they put money into in craft in terms of videos and everything to make it perfectly right. But
you don't.
No, but he's still not there.
No, I'm saying that in the way Sarkodie does investment, you don't. You don't go to that extent.
No, because if Sarkodie they do one and they watch him and the filmmaker.
So your basis for not investing is you look at Sarkodie.
No, they look at him because what did they do? No, he's alone. And he's using his money to do that,
So in your opinion,
my business,
every artist needs like a team, or an international record label or something behind you to be able to move forward.
That's how it's supposed. That's the English.
But if you also look at it, you would have realized that some would have made an initial investment to build the traction. Because if you build a traction, and that's what they come for. So for instance,
I think Sadiq, if you're hearing the argument is that he's seen people make the investment in themselves.
That's
not going anywhere.
Because you see me too, I go fit talk say the push where I push.
Yeah.
I met Beyonce's team, and the video the team was telling me B likes, she likes this. As they show me the video, I say, what? Wow. Ayo, that I shot at Kolewaku. The guy that even shot is a Nigerian video director. The payment was even back and forth.
So that's how you gauge how to do an investment.
Yeah, so that's how I gauge, because I feel like, okay, so it means there are investors also out there that are looking for some originality.
Yeah.
You understand me? Because if I feel do song for street, where you go find Beyonce, you understand me? Then it means I'm also on a certain path, because if you want some Sarkodie video, especially when Akon even mentioned Sarkodie's name, Sarkodie should have been there, but I could also say he didn't even take advantage of it.
So the fact that Sarkodie couldn't get there is what guides your basis for also not wanting to go the extra mile, because you're thinking
it'd be like when they play Premier League.
But his people would disagree. They will say he's been there at least. If you're gauging by the fact that he was at the BETs and actually won it, if you gauge by the fact that he's been on certain stages, even for Stoneboy. So if you gauge about the fact that he's played festivals and he's doing the festival circuit. Obviously, recently they played Global Citizen. There should have been some of these things should have been a basis for why he played Global Citizen and is playing other shows, right? Which meant that the investment they are putting in is working for them in the ways I should.
But my own, you work for me bad. Pass them my own.
Shatta.
Yeah.
You see your video where Beyonce see where take fall in love with you. At that time where they write the lyrics, production, post-production video, then you had a management team.
No.
You had hold on. I know sure say you did.
Me, I never. Okay, so to correct